Hi guys, I'm here to help you read pages 8 through 13 in your social studies book if you need help with that. I'm going to take a look first down the side here. There's some great vocabulary words that are coming for us in this section. We're going to be learning about extended family, generation, guardian, immigrant, citizen, and tradition. So some great words in here for us. Okay, I'm just going to start in this section right here. What makes a family? Every family is one of a kind. That is because the people who make up a family are special. Families can be large, with many adults and children, or they can be small, with only one parent and one child. Many families make up a community. It is nice to meet families who are different than yours. Treat each family you get to know with respect and kindness. Then they will do the same to you and your family. Okay, now on this page, we come to some of those good words. Families are organized in different ways. An extended family includes more than parents and children, such as aunts and uncles, maybe grandparents and stuff too, right guys? Some families have 2 or more generations living with them, including grandparents. So here's what a generation is. A generation means people born and living about the same time. So that means that like my brother and my sister and I were all kind of from the same generation, and maybe you and all the students in your class, you were all born about the same time, so you guys are making up part of a generation. Some families have one parent, a mom and a dad, 2 moms or 2 dads. Some children have parents who live in different homes. Some children live in a family with a guardian who takes care of them. Others are adopted by a family. So a guardian is someone who's in charge of you, but maybe isn't necessarily your parents. Okay, reading check. Tell how many generations of people live with you. So you can turn and tell somebody at your house about that later on. All right, page 10. The vocabulary says practice, to follow teaching and rules. So we've got the word practice in here and also the word immigrant. So this says immigrant families. A person who moves from one country to another is called an immigrant. Many immigrant families leave their homes to make a better life in the United States. Some families want freedom to practice their religion. Others want to live in a country that is safe. Better jobs and schools may also bring people to the United States. In some cases, immigrants join family already living here. All right, we're on to page 11. When they arrive, many immigrants want to become United States citizens. A citizen is a person who belongs to a country. Citizens have the right to live, work, and vote here. Immigrants can take a citizenship test. Then they take part in a ceremony to become new citizens. Okay, so reading check. Circle reasons families from other countries move to the United States. So you guys should do that. Pause the video if you need to and circle reasons why people come to the United States. All right, page 12. How families are similar. And this might help you with the question that's coming up for you on page 13. On page 13, it's asking you to write ways that families are alike and different. So thinking about this and this question might kind of help you once you get to the question. Families from around the world bring traditions to the United States. A tradition is something that is passed down over time. Many traditions are similar. It is a tradition to eat special foods on holidays. Singing, dancing, and wearing formal clothing are traditions too. Another tradition is practicing your own religion. Activities that are passed on from generation to generation are traditions too. Older family members teach children what they believe in and value most in life. These traditions continue when families move to the United States. So they're showing a picture down here of a traditional Jewish wedding. Okay, so on this page, this is what I'd like you guys to turn in today. So you're going to complete this page and then take a picture of it and send it in. So number 3 says, write ways that families are alike and different. So I want you guys to think about that. Think about your own family and other families that you know, and then try to think of ways that maybe your families are alike and ways that they're different. Then it says down here, on a separate sheet of paper, draw a picture of what you consider to be your extended family and label the picture. Remember, extended family is your family that's including the family members that don't live with you. So maybe like aunts and uncles and cousins and grandparents and other parts of your family, it's just not necessarily the ones that just live in your house. And then number 5, understand the quest connection. Look at the list of people you made and circle the name of the person you want to interview. So what they're saying is, if you don't, you honestly don't have to do that part unless you really want to, but you choose someone from your drawing and then you interview them and ask them some questions. So if you'd like to do that, you can. That's sort of optional. Okay, but I'd like to see your answer for number 3, and if you want to send me your picture of your family, that would be lovely as well. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.